Hello, viewers, and welcome to Everything Travel and Health. Are you a housekeeper wishing to immigrate to Canada to work? Or have you been looking for housekeeping jobs in Canada with visa sponsorship? You're in the right place. I will be telling you all you need to know about housekeeping jobs in Canada today. Stay tuned. Canada is a great country, and there are plenty of opportunities for housekeepers. In fact, the demand for housekeepers is high, and many companies are willing to sponsor visas so that you can work in Canada. If you're interested in working as a housekeeper in Canada, we've put together a list of companies that are currently hiring. You can check them out after watching this video. Housekeeper jobs in Canada are in high demand. This is because Canada is a country that welcomes immigrants with open arms. The Government of Canada understands that immigrants are an important part of the growth of the country and its economy. The salary for a housekeeper will vary depending on your experience and the company you work for. However, you can expect to make at least $20 an hour. Some companies may also offer benefits such as vacation pay, sick days, and health insurance. So, it's important to research the companies you're interested in working for to see what they offer. In this video, I will discuss the types of housekeeping jobs in Canada, the duties of a housekeeper, the requirements for housekeeping jobs, and the visa sponsorship pathways available. Towards the end of the video, I will give a step-by-step guide on how to search and apply for housekeeping jobs online, and how to improve your chances of landing a job in Canada. So, stay with me till the end to learn about all you need. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so to enjoy more of our upcoming uploads. Click the notification icon so that you can be notified of future uploads. Let's start by talking about the types of housekeeping jobs available in Canada with visa sponsorship. There are many different types of housekeeping jobs in Canada. The most common type of housekeeper job in Canada is the live-in housekeeper job. A live-in housekeeper is a very popular type of housekeeping service. They can be a full-time or part-time member of staff that works for a property, and as part of the package, they are provided accommodation either within the main property or within the grounds. However, there are also live-out housekeeper jobs in Canada. A live-out housekeeper is a popular choice for properties that don't have the space for a live-in housekeeper, and also for properties that don't need full-time support. They perform similar duties as a live-in housekeeper, too. The other types of housekeeper jobs include utility worker, part or full-time housekeeper, environmental services worker, housekeeping supervisor, seasonal housekeeper, residence housekeeping attendant, cleaner, light-duty cleaner, and many more. So, what are the duties of the various types of housekeepers in Canada? Depending on the type of employment, the requirements of the employer, and the size of the household, a housekeeper's duties may vary in Canada. Nonetheless, a housekeeper's typical tasks in Canada include the following. 1. Cleaning. The upkeep of the household's cleanliness is the major duty of a housekeeper. This entails cleaning the kitchen and bathrooms as well as sweeping, mopping, vacuuming, and dusting. A housekeeper may be in charge of doing the laundry, which includes washing, drying, ironing, and folding garments and linens. They might also be in charge of keeping closets clean and organized. 2. Meal preparation. A housekeeper may occasionally be in charge of meal preparation. The preparation of family meals, menu planning, and grocery shopping all fall under this category. 3. Organizing. A housekeeper may be in charge of keeping the home organized and clean. Organizing wardrobes, cabinets, and other storage spaces may fall under this category. 4. Run errands. A housekeeper may be in charge of carrying out tasks like grocery shopping, picking up dry cleaning, and mailing goods. 5. Childcare. In some circumstances, a housekeeper may be in charge of keeping an eye on kids and assisting with their upkeep, including bathing, clothing, and feeding them. 6. Pet care. If there are animals in the home, the housekeeper may be in charge of feeding, cleaning them up. It is crucial to remember that a housekeeper's responsibilities might change significantly based on the needs of the employer and the size of the household. While some housekeepers may also be in charge of extra duties like gardening or maintenance, others might only be in charge of cleaning and organizing. Let's now talk about the requirements for housekeeping jobs in Canada. To work in Canada as a housekeeper, there are no specific requirements. Typically, to immigrate to Canada for a job, you will be required to complete secondary or high school. It is important to show you are qualified for this job by showing you have some experience in home management and housekeeping. If you are applying as an executive housekeeper, it is sometimes required that you have a university degree in hospitality management, hotel management, or business administration. Other requirements include ability to communicate in English or French, both orally and in writing. Bodily energy and stamina to work for prolonged durations. The will to fulfill the wants of others in a fast-paced surroundings. The flexibility and want to work independently with little supervision. Multitasking abilities. Now, let's talk about the relocation pathways that can get you to Canada as a housekeeper. As with most of the other jobs, you can either immigrate to Canada on a temporary basis with a work permit, or permanently with any of the pathways that offer permanent residency. Work permit to work as a housekeeper in Canada can be obtained through any of the following programs. One of the pathways by which a housekeeper can emigrate to work in Canada is through the Temporary Foreign Worker Program. When competent Canadian citizens or permanent residents are not available, this program enables Canadian firms to hire foreign employees for particular jobs. You require a legitimate job offer from a Canadian company and the approval of Employment and Social Development Canada (ESDC's) Labour Market Impact Assessment (LMIA) to get a work permit via this program. Another way a housekeeper can emigrate is through the International Mobility Program. This program is intended to make it easier for international workers who are exempt from the LMIA requirement to enter the country. However, they would still require to get a valid job offer before they can get a work permit via this program. Other programs are the International Experience Canada (IEC) program, International Free Trade Agreements, Intercompany transfers. However, an applicant will have to get a job offer from a Canadian employer before he can apply for a work permit. To get a job offer from an employer, an applicant will have to apply for jobs. I will be addressing that shortly. On the other hand, immigration to Canada on a permanent basis is through any of the following programs: Express Entry System, Federal Skilled Worker Program, Federal Skilled Trades Program, Canada Experience Class Program, Provincial Nominee Program. Now, let's talk about how to apply for housekeeping jobs. To apply for a job, you need to have a good resume, which should be tailored to the job you are applying for. This is very important, as it is the reason why most applicants do not get a reply from employers. There is a video on my channel where I discuss how to build a Canadian-style resume. It will be helpful that you watch the video before you start applying for this job. It is important that you have a Canadian standard resume. A good resume will go a long way towards catching your employer's attention and having you selected for the job. Having created a good resume, package your other supporting documents and get ready to apply for jobs on any of the 3 websites mentioned here. There are several other websites where you can find these jobs. However, these websites provide you with everything you need to know about kitchen helper jobs and also provide you with relative recommendations for other job positions in the middle of your application. The first website is ca.indeed.com. I have prepared a list of housekeeping jobs on this website that are available for foreign workers with visa sponsorships if you are currently not in Canada. Check the description of this video for the link. Click the link and scroll through each job listing on the Indeed page for available housekeeping job vacancies. The job details are attached to each, including the location, the salary, or wages. Read through the full job descriptions and requirements carefully before you proceed with the application. Click the Apply button and follow the prompts afterwards. The second website is glassdoor.com. This is one of the biggest job directories in Canada. Similarly, I prepared a list of housekeeping jobs that are available for foreign workers with visa sponsorships on the Glassdoor site. Check the description of this video for the link. Scroll through the page. Click the link and scroll through each job listing on the page for available job vacancies. Endeavor to read through the job summary and be aware of the company overview. Then proceed by applying for the job. The third website is jobank.gc.ca. This website provides you with daily job updates. Likewise, I made a list of housekeeping jobs that are available for foreign workers with visa sponsorships on the platform. Select the job of your choice and proceed with the application. To boost your selection chances, it is important to apply to as many vacant positions as possible. The more applications you submit, the higher your chances of getting selected are. However, remember to tailor your resume to suit each job. Note that each job posted on the websites has an expiration date. Hence, it is important that you apply early. It's never too early or too late to start pursuing your dreams. Also, keep in mind that most of these jobs have no age limit. So, irrespective of your age, as long as it is above 18, you can land any of the jobs. Above all, remember that the best time to start is now. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with friends and loved ones. Also, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Kindly drop your comments or questions in the comments section, as your feedback is very important to us. If you have any suggestions on topics or issues you would like us to address in our subsequent videos, kindly drop them in the comment section and we will attend to them. We have more interesting and highly informative content on our channel, and many more are on the way that can help you land that awesome job of your dreams. So, watch out for them. Thanks, and stay blessed.